So you're thinking of moving to Seattle, Washington. Well, in this video, we're uncovering hidden gems and must-sees all across Queen Anne, Capitol Hill, and Ballard. Stick around to the end because we're going to showcase 2 local businesses here in the area. Welcome to Seattle Living 101, your ultimate guide to Washington real estate. Now, if you're new here and you're looking for a comprehensive guide to all things that have to do with Seattle living, then you're in the right place. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get essential tips for moving to Seattle and stay updated on the Washington state lifestyle. My name is Andre. The team and I, we get calls, texts, emails all the time from people just like you looking to move to the area. So whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, or book a Zoom call, and we'd be happy to help you out. Welcome to our first stop of the day, guys. We are here at 2532 14th Avenue in Queen Anne. Contrary to popular belief, Queen Anne is not named after any queen. Queen Anne is actually named after the architecture of this home. You have steep pitched roofs, sometimes you have ornamental gables as well. This is one of the downsides of living here, though. On this street specifically, you have one street that heads down this way, another one that comes this way, and you can actually drive both ways, but you can see the parking situation here is really not the best. Only a few of these houses have garages like this one here does, but this guy over here doesn't, and this is all condos here with people parking down the street. Now, a house like this can go for just about $2 million, which is significantly higher than the median price point. The median price point in Queen Anne is $1.375 million, which is up 33% from this time last year. Now, why should you live in Queen Anne? Well, not only is it one of the most desirable locations here in Seattle, the schools are good, but you also have quite a few amenities. You have the Interbay Golf Course, which has a driving range. It has a mini golf section as well, and your regular, golf course as well. You can tell that I don't play a lot of golf. The only golf I like to play is Top Golf. We have that, but it's further down in Renton. I do have plenty of clients and friends that play golf though as well. So anyways, let's escape my, go beyond my golf vocabulary. I think it's 18 holes. I'll double check, but I think it is. Anyways, you also have Home Goods, which is, a home goods store, my wife's favorite. You have Michael's, you have Petco. We love our pets over here. I left my doggo at home, but yeah, we love our pets over here. So you have Petco over there. And you also have the Elliott Bay Marina, which is technically, don't tell anybody, but it's in Magnolia, which is a different area that we're covering, but it's super close to here. So you have the Elliott Bay Marina, and you have Cary Park nearby. Now, Cary Park is one of the best, I think one of the best parks for the best views here in Seattle. It really doesn't get much better than this, guys, and you'll see some of the shots here. You have a playground down below, but you have to run down a few flights of stairs to the playground and then run up a few flights of stairs. As you can see, I literally booked it. Was kind of out of breath by the time I got up there, so I would recommend if you're going to Cary Park for the playground, park on the lower street. If you're going to Cary Park for the views, then just park up top like everybody else does. But there's a ton of people walking there, sitting, reading books, just enjoying life, and that's what we love about Seattle. The views are absolutely phenomenal. I don't know about New York and other places, but it doesn't get much better than the views over here in Seattle. So with that, let's go to our second stop. I'll see you guys over there. And now we are at our second stop for the day, and we are in Capitol Hill. Now, Capitol Hill is known for nightlife, restaurants. So if that's what you're after when you're looking to move to Seattle, Capitol Hill is the area that you want to be in. Now, we are standing in front of this townhome complex, 711B Federal Avenue. And this place here used to be on the market at $985. Right now, it's actually at $920,000. And it was built in 2017. Now, the parking situation in Seattle typically is not the hottest around here. You see a lot of people park off the street, even down this way. But what's cool about this place is over here, look at my professional camera quality skills. You have garages, okay? So each of these units has a garage for privacy and for storage. So That's one of the nicer things. If you can get a townhome with a garage, you won in Seattle, because most places don't have garages, unfortunately. Or if they do, you pay a premium for them. Now, what's cool about Capitol Hill, there's a few different things. Number one, you're just minutes away from Cal Anderson Park. If you're into walking your dog, which I am, so dog walking, taking out your kids to the park, whatever the case is, Cal Anderson Park is just a few short minutes drive, and there is plenty of parking over there. You also have Broadway Avenue, which is literally like 5 seconds down that way. Broadway Avenue essentially has food, and more food. Tons of businesses over there as well. You have Just Pokey, you have, which if you're into Pokey, one of the best places in my opinion. You have Dick's Burgers, you have Ian's Pizza, you have coffee shops, and you also have, and this is gonna be a special little stop for you guys, you also have Broadway Shoe Repair. My buddy Bobby is a cobbler, so we're gonna go ahead and visit him next. All right guys, we are at Broadway Shoe Repair with my boy Bobby over here and his fellow, I don't know what that, he said that thing's creeper. $2,000. But it doesn't work.
It could be worth up to $2,000.
Up to
it is, yeah.
Okay,
I'm working
Bobby,
on it.
Tell us, what do you do around here? Why should people come into the shop?
So we fix pretty much any kind of shoe. We deal with a lot of high-end stuff, so a lot of stuff like...
Ooh, let me get some shots of those.
So a lot of stuff like this, where people spend like, you know, $600 to $1,000 on a pair of shoes.
Dang.
And then they want to get
that thing's $6,000?
No, this one's like $1,200.
Oh, $1,200? Sorry,
yeah.
I misheard.
$600 to $1,200. There are shoes that come in that are
expensive. Slip it over here.
So what we do is a protective sole. So it's kind of like this, and it goes over the top, so it actually prevents the shoe from wearing out, and it's going to make it last a whole lot longer. So if you're having an investment, you want to make sure that it lasts.
Nice. Now, is shoes the only thing that you fix, or what else? What else do you fix?
Pretty much anything leather-wise. Handbags, we do a lot of handbags, some luggage. We're kind of picky on the luggage just because we don't have the machinery to do some big stuff, but a lot of small things. If it's
still, you got quite
zippers,
the machinery over here.
So
dang.
Anything
Awesome.
leather-wise, bring it in, we'll tell you if we can fix it or
Yeah,
not.
in Seattle, instead of, especially when you buy a pair of shoes like that, but even you can see over here, people got basic shoes, you know, their everyday normal wear and tear stuff. Instead of buying a new pair, we like to repair what is already broken, you know? Recycle, right? There's also that, being efficient, right? Bobby actually fixed my laptop case, and which I'm still trying to pick up from him.
This is a good one.
I forgot to pick up from him. And he fixed
Birkenstocks. It's a big thing in Seattle.
Oh, there you go.
Here, I'll show you why.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Show me why.
Because we get the original Birkenstock soles.
Ooh.
So all you leave is the actual straps of your Birkenstocks, and then you can replace them with original Birkenstock soles and original Birkenstock.
Oh yeah, we did throw ours away. Nice, man. Thanks for sharing. So yeah, guys, any of your leather needs, right? Whether you got shoes, purses, bags, luggage, this place is the place to be. So come visit Bobby and his coworker, partner, right? What is your name? Shelly. Shelly's over here too. So awesome. What is the average cost of a shoe repair? You know, for, I don't know.
It depends.
Like stuff like this.
Because if it's like high-end shoes, like, you know, it could be like $100. If it's like something like this, it could be anywhere from 20. Let me see actually how much this one is. Yeah, $21. But it's just new heels on these guys.
Dude, that's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap. Way better than going and buying a brand new pair. Yeah, especially with those at $1,200 or whatever. Anyways, appreciate it, buddy. Goodbye. Catch you later. And now for one of our last stop of the day, we are in Ballard. Now Ballard has Scandinavian heritage. You can see Ballard Avenue. I'm gonna post up a clip here for you guys. Gorgeous buildings, right? And there's, on Ballard Avenue, there's food, and more food. But right now, just a block off of Ballard is 5450 Leary Avenue. Now, this building here has a condo that's $515,000. It's 1 bed, 1 bath, and it's just about 700 square feet. So it's super affordable for a condo in Seattle, but again, it's not too spacious, right? It's probably best for people, maybe empty nesters if you're looking for no maintenance, right? Or a young couple starting out, or heck, a single person just kind of looking to have their own little space, right? It's not too much and it's not too little. Smack in the middle. I could be a rapper in my other career. Anyways, here on the lower floor, you have a lot of buildings like this in Seattle, as in other cities. You have businesses. So you have a dentist office over here, right? You have a bagel shop over there. And just literally down that way is Ballard Avenue, which we're going to next. And we also, stay tuned because we have a special stop for the day. We're gonna be stopping up by my second buddy's business. His name is Tevin, and he has a gym. So we'll actually go there next, and then we'll stop by Ballard last. Now, what's cool about Ballard? First of all, Ballard has a ton of food, specifically Ballard Avenue. You have Steel Barber if you're looking to get a nice fresh cut, which I actually need. Didn't get mine, what was it? Maybe about a week ago. Week and a half. You have Pike Tap Room, which is a gorgeous tap room. I love the vibes around Ballard. You guys are gonna see in the clips that I will attach here what I mean. And what's awesome also about Ballard is we're going to a place next, which is owned by a good friend of mine as well. His name is Tevin, and it's called Fitness Narrative. So let's go check it out. So guys, right now we are at Fitness Narrative. I'm standing with my buddy Tevin here, who's the owner of this gym. Tevin, you are in, we're in Ballard, right? Mm-hmm. This is one of, I think, the best locations to own a gym, but...
Live also. Yeah.
Huh?
Live here.
Yeah, live also, right. What do you personally love about this place?
It's one of the few places in Seattle where there is still a sense of community and families. You know, we live in South Lake Union, and we go months without seeing kids or families. It's just a bunch of single people, but typically people want to get out of the city but still be close enough for work and stuff like that. And Ballard has been that place. And
I know Ballard Avenue is popping. We're going to stop by over there after. Yeah. Tons of businesses, tons of restaurants. And you own a gym here, right? So you focus more on private client
personal training.
Personal training.
Yeah, I mean, being a city, everybody, time and all that kind of stuff, there's plenty of group classes and stuff like that, but we tend to focus more on more so the clients that, you know, past injuries, haven't been able to get to their goals and stuff like that.
Got it. Or if you're like me and you got some extra weight to lose, hit this boy up.
You're here, we can start right now.
Yeah, I need to lose 50 pounds in the next 2 minutes. Can I do that? Yeah, like the section.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, Tevin, you know, there is like in any big city, there are some downsides. What would you say are some of the possible downsides of being in Ballard as well?
No, there's mainly just one. For some reason, when COVID happened, they started transferring homeless people to different places. Honestly, there's a lot of issues with Seattle, like mainly Seattle downtown and stuff like that, but Ballard, if you take the homelessness away, it's not as bad as like downtown Seattle, but that is the main thing that we struggle with as small businesses, as homeowners. You know, there's just everywhere else, like crime is going up and stuff like that. So, but the main issue that I have is people sleeping outside or trying to use power or breaking in or stuff like that. So.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
now, I don't see anybody out there right now or anything like that, but is that
well, it's gotten better. It's gotten better. Yeah,
it
out of any other place, Ballard has definitely got better. We don't nearly have as many camps out here. There's other parts of Ballard that are not affected by home ownership and stuff like that, and or businesses mainly. It's just here, main streets and stuff like that, closer to the water and all these neighborhoods is typically better. When you get into neighborhoods, there's really nothing. You're not gonna find any camps. It's more so towards the businesses, closer to the streets and stuff like that.
And downtown specifically, like Pike, obviously around
Oh,
Pike
like if
Place.
you start getting over there, that's a whole different type of homeless person.
Yeah.
But here, they don't touch anybody, they don't hit anybody, they just do their own thing. Versus Seattle, you know, you got to make sure you might need to have security with you or something like that.
Yeah. And for security, call Tevin. No.
Call your lawyer.
Anyways, buddy, appreciate it.
Yeah, same here, man.
If you guys are looking for an awesome gym for personal training, Tevin's the guy to come over to here in Ballard.
Yes, sir.
And wonderful setup you got here. So
I appreciate you.
Catch you later.
Yes, sir.
And for the conclusion of this video, I decided to stop by right off of Ballard Avenue and stand in front of Matador. Matador is one of the best places that you can find for Mexican cuisine. Now, this is not just your average, Mexican food joint. This is high-end luxury. There's even a great place there to sit by the fire as well. They have Top Shelf Tuesdays for all of their top shelf specials as well. This is by far one of the best places that you need to visit when you come to Ballard. And to close out, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I tried to reveal as many as possible hidden gems and must-sees in this video. And if you're looking for more content that has to do with all things regarding Seattle living, then hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay up to date on the Washington State lifestyle. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Now we're here at our first stop, guys. What? It's okay. We love having people in our shots, especially cute ducks. Oh yeah?
I've seen him do it, so I'm like,
Yeah. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Yeah, thank you so much. No worries. Okay.